Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Vashini's Kitchen. So today we are making gobi manchuri, or we can call gobi 65. For that I have took here around 3 tablespoons of maida. Then I have add turmeric, salt as per your taste. Then half teaspoon of red chili powder. Then the orange fruit color. Now add water and mix it well until the around like we'll get around like dosa batter, and until that consistency we'll be mixing. So add water one by one so that it won't get so loose. So you can see it is done, mixed well. Now I'll be adding the blanched cauliflower. What blanched means, I just in the warm water or the boiling water I just kept for 5 minutes and then removed off from that. So now add the gobi manchuri pieces one by one and deep fry it until it is completely fried in the crispy way. So you can see I have added in the first turn until it finishes. All this add one by one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment for more new videos. So you can see here it is done. Now take it off. So in another pan add around 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I'll be adding here green chilies and finely chopped garlic. You can see I've added here garlic also. Then let it fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add curry leaves. This is option. Adding curry leaves is optional. Okay, you can see it is fried. So now I'll be adding tomato ketchup, soya sauce, the tangy flavor of the sauce is ketchup. Whatever you need you can add, but I'm adding here only tomato ketchup and the soya sauce. Mix it well. Then add a bit of a tablespoon of water. That's enough. Then after adding water, add the cornstarch slurry. That is adding 1 tablespoon of flour and add the water and mix it well and add. Now add the gobi 65, mix it well and you can see it is ready. Do try it once and comment in the box how was the